No Instagram, no Twitter, no YouTube, no fast food, no parties. Just the earth, the sky, and the purest way of life. In these ancient villages and among the nomads, every need is met by their own hands, without technology, without shortcuts. They are the most self-sufficient people on earth, living a freedom the modern world can only dream of. Deep in the heart of southern Iran, where the traditions of rural and nomadic life still breathe, we invite you on a journey to a village where daily needs are met through simple, time-honored ways. Hello to all lovers of nature, traditions, and the ancient ways of life that have lasted for thousands of years. Today, we capture a timeless moment. Village women, skilled, strong, and rooted in heritage, milking their goats, just as their ancestors did for generations. If you're curious to experience more of this pure, healthy, and technology-free lifestyle, don't forget to follow us. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us keep these beautiful stories alive. One topic that fascinated me, and about which I asked a village woman, was how they knew how much milk to take from each sheep and how much to leave for the lambs. The nomadic village woman gave a simple yet profound answer. When you are truly a part of nature, you always know exactly how much you should take and how much you must leave behind. There are countless fascinating aspects of rural and nomadic life that can astonish the modern world. From the milk of these goats, villagers create a variety of nutritious, wholesome foods like kashk, cheese, and different types of yogurt. The oil extracted from this pure milk is among the healthiest edible oils on earth. The wool of these goats is used to weave large tents for shelter, sew traditional clothing, and craft beautiful handmade goods. Interestingly, in areas without electricity, goat skins are even used to cool drinking water. In every sense, nomads are the true symbol of self-sufficiency. Here, there is no fast food, no internet, no video games. Only a life deeply connected to nature. These goats, which roam the mountains and fields while feeding on medicinal herbs, produce milk so fragrant that it results in dairy products with a uniquely rich and exceptional taste. At first glance, one might think they live a hard life, carrying water from springs, cooking meals over open fires, baking bread by hand, milking goats, managing the household, and tending to countless small and large tasks. But when I sit with them and listen to their words, when they speak of peace and a life free from stress, I realize how truly fortunate they are. We, who are drowning in the noise, pollution, and chaos of modern cities, are the ones to be pitied. When they speak of their love for their goats, it feels like the greatest poets and artists writing verses for their beloved. Modern life has crushed the human soul. We have forgotten the real meaning of living. As I left them behind and returned to the city, it became even clearer. They are the happiest people on earth.